In 2014, the AtomStack founding team introduced their first SLA 3D printer. The brand has a specific focus on DIY laser engravers and infrared lasers too. Their dedication lies in enhancing product capabilities, particularly in ensuring precision and efficiency with their products. And their new laser engraver is no exception. This is the AtomStack A12 Pro. Now, the AtomStack A12 Pro is an excellent entry-level laser engraving machine. With the optional AtomStack F4 engraving honeycomb table and the AtomStack F30 V2 Air assist set, we are getting an even more powerful tool with ease of use. With a 12-watt optical power, it has a 370 by 310mm engraving working area and an all-aluminium alloy structure. The machine is suitable for cutting and engraving wooden boards and acrylic, and it supports offline engraving too. It also features a tank chain wiring harness, an emergency stop button, and safe laser engraving technology. With all this said, the AtomStack A12 Pro is set to be a great choice for anyone looking to get into the laser engraving market. So with that in mind, let's first start by unboxing this guy. What sets the AtomStack A12 Pro apart from other engravers on the market is that it comes ready to use out of the box, without any installation required. This emphasizes its user-friendly nature. I can't deny that the A12 Pro is a superior quality device, crafted with ionized full aluminium alloy, which is a type of aluminium that has been treated with an electrochemical process to make it more durable and resistant to corrosion. So I certainly wouldn't be concerned about longevity here. The design ensures not only durability but also precision in engraving. The one-piece frame design of the A12 Pro has been calibrated with precision before shipping to you, ensuring that you receive a device that is perfectly tuned and ready to use right out of the box. There is nothing for you to do. We are ready to go as soon as we pull it out of the box, and trust me, after using my fair share of engravers, this is beyond satisfactory. You can truly enjoy the benefits of a precise and reliable machine without any additional setup or calibration required. Now, the AtomStack A12 Pro is equipped with a second generation laser that boasts an unparalleled optical power of 12 watts. Thanks to this, we can achieve an ultra-fine laser focus area of 0.06 by 0.6 millimeters. Now, this allows us to effortlessly cut 15 to 20 millimeter thick wooden boards and 10 to 50 millimeter thick black acrylic. Additionally, we can directly engrave mirror stainless steel, metal, ceramic, and glass with ease. The engraving process is significantly faster than traditional frame machines, with a maximum speed of 600 millimeters a second. This means that the A12 Pro can complete engraving tasks 3 to 6 times faster than traditional machines. Now, this increased speed is made possible by advanced technology and precision engineering, which allows for greater accuracy and efficiency in the engraving process. With this speed and precision, we can create high quality engravings in a shorter amount of time. Now, like I said earlier, there are some additional purchases you can make that will help make the A12 Pro even easier to use, and I do highly recommend getting them for the affordability they actually offer. This is the AtomStack F4 Honeycomb cutting table. It is an excellent additional option that offers a sturdy honeycomb underframe. This underframe facilitates rapid heat dissipation, ensuring durability with efficient smoke exhaust. It also enhances the cutting precision even further, resulting in improved overall cutting results. And it also prevents any overburning of the project, which can be a frustrating and time-consuming setback. Secondly, it obviously provides a safeguard for both your workspace and the produced work. So in terms of a must-have, I definitely recommend getting it. Now, the A12 Pro machine has a chain wire bundling solution to ensure the wiring harness operates smoothly without tangling, thus improving its structural stability. Additionally, the A12 Pro laser module features a tool-free focus module and an integrated air support system that eliminates cable interference. This results in a sleek and minimalistic design that is free from clogs out of the box. And to help with your work further, I also recommend getting this. This is the AtomStack AtomStack Air Assist. This provides an adjustable work airflow with anti-clogging quiet operation. It is important to avoid any fluctuations in laser energy caused by dust or smoke, and luckily the AtomStack Air Assist accessory can help with that. It effortlessly removes any particulate matter that may arise during this process. This ensures that the laser operates at its peak potential, guaranteeing not only precision but also consistency in every project. Now, there are various ways to utilize this engraver, but one feature that will definitely attract many consumers is its compatibility to function with the AtomStack custom designed application on both iOS and Android. This app provides a distinct, effortless control experience, all conveniently accessible on your mobile device. Now, it is also compatible with various engraving softwares like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, and supports multiple systems including Windows and Mac. So whatever you choose to use, both are rather user-friendly and easy to get used to straight out of the box. In my experience using this machine, I like to use Lightburn to actually do the cutting, and then hop to the app whenever I want to engrave anything. Now, when it comes to focusing the laser, well, it couldn't have been made any simpler. If you were to engrave, you would simply use the higher step and then use the lower step for cutting. What's great about the app is we can select the material in use, and in turn this will give us the recommended attributes to achieve a clean cut or engrave. I can control the power, speed and line spacing all within the dedicated app UI. So when it comes to cutting a simple shape out of wood, I can stick it into the app, place all the information in I want, and send over the work to the machine. After we have selected the starting point, we can swiftly initiate the cutting process. As you can see, the precision obtained is quite impressive, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. When you combine the A12 Pro with the Honeycomb base, the cut obtained is incredibly neat and tidy. Unlike other engraving machines available in the market, you don't encounter any yellowing or overburned edges, as long as you've got those settings correct. Now, to cut black acrylic, I was pretty impressed with this. The app actually utilizes this pretty well. You can upload your cutting design and customize the cutting settings according to your preferences. You can effortlessly cut black acrylic just as fast as you could wood. The end result is really nice. It is a clean cut, smooth around the edges, and just looks beautiful. Now, when it comes to the engraving process and trying to engrave something more complex, to start with, we will focus on the laser with the leveling tool. As mentioned earlier, you just need to use the higher point of it. Once you've leveled it, when it comes to engraving, creating a portrait design requires a lot more time and effort than a traditional engraving. I first started by engraving a portrait of my cat. Now, the process of engraving the intricate details of my cat's face, like fur and whiskers, took the A12 Pro a little over an hour. Although that might seem a long time, this duration is considered quite efficient when compared to other engravers on the market. The final outcome of this project is undoubtedly impressive, and it's hard to deny that. The level of quality you achieve depends on the material you use and the specific settings you choose within the app or software you're working with, but with enough practice, anyone can achieve a truly remarkable result like this. It did take me a few attempts to get this correct, but the cat's face is particularly eye-catching in this result, with its intricate details that are impressive even for a machine of this price tag. What's also great about the panoramic light filtering glass shield is that it provides excellent protection for your eyes by filtering out 97% of UV light, and this means that you and those around you can see the whole laser engraving process without having to wear safety glasses. All in all, the AtomStack A12 Pro is an excellent entry-level laser engraving machine. By pairing it with the optional AtomStack F4 Honeycomb work table and the AtomStack F30 V2 Air Assist set, we can have access to a more powerful and user-friendly tool, which, believe it or not, even laser engraving enthusiasts will be delighted by. The engraving and cutting machine is built with a compact and robust design that ensures its durability and sturdiness, and this means you are guaranteed that you can use it right out of the box without worrying about adjustments. You can take it out of the package and start using it immediately. That alone is a beginner's dream. You just plug it in and load up the designated app or choice of cutting software and send a project for instant engraving or cutting. The process is quick and straightforward, and this machine is easy to operate. Overall, this machine is a reliable and efficient tool that is perfect for any DIY project or professional application. You can be sure that it will provide you with reliable and consistent results every time you use it. With that said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.